SEO Copywriting Tips Series Part 3, the intro. Now, the intro is going to be very important to a blog post of any kind, and mine are a little bit different depending on what it is that I'm working on. Now, I've got a blog post here, Cowabunga Bay Water Park, the one we've been using as an example in the series, and I've got an intro. I want to show you how I can optimize this. I'm going to click Edit Post. So let's say you're actually optimizing from a piece of content that somebody else has written, okay? You've just copied it in here and off you go. Well, you're going to want to optimize that paragraph. And if you're the one writing it, you're going to want to do the same thing. Don't get confused by the other things you see on the screen if you're not familiar with them yet. This right here is what we're talking about. This is the intro paragraph. I like an intro paragraph to be short. I want to get to that video and that call to action and then the table of contents as quickly as possible. So you need to look at the intro as a teaser. The intro would also work on your excerpt or for your meta description. And so it should basically say what they're going to get out of this article. What is this about? Okay. Now, in this case, I have Cowabunga Water Park in Nevada attracts thousands of people at any given time, drawing kids and adults from all over. Like any vacation, a bit of planning will ensure a positive experience. Now, I could add, if you want to this water park is a great thing to do when it's a great thing to do in Las Vegas when it's hot. Okay, keyword. Whatever your keyword is should be in the first paragraph. So Cowabunga Bay Water Park, you can see there I've got it in the paragraph and it's towards the top. Never forget that. Some people like to put that in bold. That's kind of a little bit old school SEO. I usually don't do that. But what I want to do here is I want to include a link to something up here. So this blog post happens to be in the category. If you look over here to the right, this is in the category things to do in Las Vegas. So see what I did here? This is a great thing to do in Las Vegas when it's hot. I'm going to add area because it's actually Henderson. This water park is a great, and I'm going to highlight thing to do in Las Vegas. And then I'm going to click this little link and I'm going to internally link to my things to do in Las Vegas blog post page, or I could do it to the category page. So watch this. Let me open a new tab. And what I do is I type in my domain name, ballenvegas.com, and then put a space. So now we're searching only on this website, and I'm going to type in things to do in Las Vegas. Now what it will do is it will do a search of the website and it'll pull kind of like a category report of all the things to do in Las Vegas. So all you got to do then is take that exact link, hit copy, and put that right here. So if you don't know the links of the blog post to link to, just do a search like I just did for something related to that keyword. And as long as it pulls up relevant results, you can just go ahead and put that category page in there. That would be fine. If you know the page that's created on things to do in Las Vegas, you can also just do a search like this. Watch. I'm going to click the link. Let me open the tab here. I can also do this, things to do in Las Vegas, to see if I have a blog post related. So anytime you see like a primary set of words that looks like a keyword, you might want to take a look. Oh, here's one, 500 things to do in Las Vegas. That's even better than the category page. So I'm going to update that. These internal links like this pass link equity to the receiving page, helping it to perform better on the search engines. So that's a real positive signal. Here's an example on my Ballen Brands blog. You'll be able to look at all these and see that they're the same. Let me click on this one. And here's the intro here. Hey, this is Sabrina, lead trader for Ballen Brands. She always starts off her blog videos like that. Today I'm going to show you how to create a saved search for contacts and add it to your Infusionsoft dashboard. Another great Infusionsoft training from the team at Ballen Brands. So my highlights here are Ballen Brands, that goes to the home page. And this one, team at Ballen Brands, actually goes to our about page so they can learn more about the team. Okay. So one link in the intro paragraph is fine. Two, if you can. Best way to find out which links are to do that little search that I just showed you, or to ask if you're doing this for somebody else, not for yourself. And that is all you need for your intro paragraph.